So how do you delete all unread text messages on Android? Let's get started. So it really depends on which messages app you are using. For example, in my Samsung Messages app, I can hold down on the individual chats or messages and I can select them, right? So even in those which I didn't read or whatever it might be, I can select them all like that and just go through the selection and basically delete them all. As you can see, we have the delete all button below, which can work if you select all of your messages. That is a good option, but you can only select those which you haven't read before, and then you can delete them. So this is using the Samsung messages, but of course there are some other platforms. For example, I also have the Google ones. And there it might work slightly different, but basically the point is going to be the same because you can hold down on the individual ones and basically just select them like that and tap on a delete to just remove them from your phone. So that's how it works. And yeah, if it doesn't work for you, what you can do is to explore the Google Play Store where more apps for your messages are going to be available. So you don't necessarily have to stick with the built-in one. And let me tell you, there are plenty of them which can actually get or give you more features than the main or built-in ones, right? There are ones which you can use for spam filtering, and you will most definitely find something which probably works better than your current app. So that is going to be everything from me. Let me know below in the comments if we managed to do it. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.